Hello, scrapers tired of working with incomplete business lists? Imagine enriching your data that was pulled straight from Google Maps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enrich your file using Outscraper's Google Maps scraper. So let's dive right in. First, prepare your file. Make sure it includes headers that Outscraper recognizes like Google ID, place ID, company name, legal name, business name, address, city, state, zip code, and country. For this example, we will be using three headers: Google ID, place ID, and name. Next, head over to Outscraper and log into your account. And then, go to Google Maps Scraper. Click the Plain Query button to show the Upload File button. Click Enrich File. Click Choose File and upload the file that you prepared. Now, let's use some enrichment. Since I want to get emails from this file, let's use Email and Contact Scraper as an enrichment. Then click this filter button to ignore emails, duplicate, and ignore without emails. Once everything is set, click Get Data. Hit Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. Once the task is done, download your result and you will get an enriched file ready for your analysis. That's how simple it is to enrich your business data with Outscraper Google Maps Scraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!